Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand about downloading and installing a IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. IDE is a tool which is helpful for writing the code. You can think IDE as a toolbox for writing, testing and managing your code, like one-stop shop for programmers. Instead of using a separate tool like basic text editor for writing a code and terminal for running it and another tool for debugging it, an IDE combines all these features into a single application. For example, imagine you are building a house. You could use a hammer, nails, saw separately, but an IDE is like a workshop where all your tools are organized and ready to be used together. Let us understand why IDE is used. An IDE is used to make a programmer's life easier, faster and less error prone. The main purpose of using IDE is writing code. It provides a smart editor that highlights the mistakes like typo errors and suggests the fixes as you type. And running the code, you can run your Java program with a single click instead of typing a complex command. You can use IDE for debugging. If your program crashes, the IDE helps you to find and fix the problem in a step-by-step manner. And you can organize the project. It keeps all your files like code, image, etc. in one place like a project folder. Efficiency is another reason for using it. It saves time by automating repetitive tasks like formatting the code, adding a common code snippets, etc. In short, IDE is like having an assistant who help you in writing a program. The top 5 IDEs for Java programming include Eclipse, intellij IDE. Here Eclipse is a free and open source. IntelliJ has a paid version as well as free community edition, and NetBeans and Visual Studio Code with Java extension and JCreator. In this course, we will use either Eclipse or IntelliJ. IntelliJ we will use a free community edition, and Eclipse is anyways free and open source. Let us understand how you can download and install it. So when you open the browser and type Eclipse download, and you can open this. Let us wait for page to load. See here, you can see here download option is available based on your operating system. Based on your chip, you can download. If you are using a Intel chip, you can download this. If you are using a Mac, you can download this, right? So here if you go, it will provide a download option. So DMG option. I am using a Mac. If you are using a Windows, it will show you the version applicable for Windows operating system. You can download and just click and install. Installation is very simple. I have already installed it, so I am not downloading it again. Similarly, for IntelliJ, just type IntelliJ download community edition and use the first link and open. Here you can see IntelliJ ultimate version, which is a 30-day free trial. After that you need to pay for you need to buy a license and use it. See here, if you come down a little bit, there is a IntelliJ community edition which is free. Based on your operating system and chip, you can select. If you are using so for me I am using a Mac OS, so it is showing only the version applicable for Mac operating system. In Mac, if you are using a Intel chip, you can use this. If you are using a Apple Silicon, you can select this and download. If you open this link on a Windows operating system, it will show the versions applicable for the Windows operating system. So you can download that and install. Just click and install. Installation is straightforward for both the tools, right? I already installed it, so I am not downloading it again. Thank you for watching.